Hello, CNG 212. Welcome to Wednesday evening, uh, October 2nd. I had a question that came up in an email um, wanting to start your projects early. Um, I have nothing against that. If you want to start your project early, great. It will allow you to go more in depth. Um, there is a free so do a quick Google search for Windows Server as a student. You can get a free 180-day trial of Windows Server here. Um, and also, if you want to go to Azure, and this will kick it up a notch, just because you're trying to work truly in a virtual environment, where you'll be creating the network itself. And you know what? If you want to use this, it's great. Azure, AWS. There's one more that I'm missing that are gaining a lot of traction. Um, that will help you land a career really. Um, what I I'm trying my best to balance the project in a way that it's going to be in depth for you, but it's going to work with our environment because I know I can make a video and then somebody can send me an email that I don't get it for a day and a half, and that's a day and a half that you could be working on your project. So, like I said, if you want to start working on them early, great. Uh, it's going to be right now. I know one mandatory thing. You have to have one server and one client, and that will help you through a lot of the stuff. Um, Using VirtualBox, Workstation, uh, more than it's just there's also a whole bunch of more Linux-based ones out there. Um, and even if you go into AWS or Azure, you can just work in their environments too. But yeah, I have no reservations about you guys starting your projects early. But do some searches, poke around, and if you can't find any sort of Windows image, let me know. And usually, if you go to, make sure you go to the Microsoft ones. Um, those are more legitimate than some of the other ones that I've seen online. So make sure you just kind of look at the URL where you're going and realize um, that you need to get a legitimate copy and not somebody else's copy to help you with that. DreamSpark and on the hub haven't gotten any answers back. Finally got into my email. It seems that the transition to CCC was a little bit rough, but I have that access now. But yeah, poke around. I don't mind if you get started. I know AWS well. I've been playing with Azure, so I can kind of help you in either one. As a student, you do get to use those at a discount. But make sure when you're in those environments that you power down your machines when you're done using them. So that means powering down your server, powering down your client. You have to make sure you turn those off, or you'll start to rack up a bill. It's not expensive. Pretty much you just pay for the electricity to keep those machines running, um, but you don't want to accrue extra billions. So let me know if you have any other questions. Yeah, like I said, feel free to start your projects now. I will get the rubric out within a couple weeks. I just want to make sure I want to be fair, but I want this project to be worth um, the 3 weeks we put into it. Yeah, yeah.